Have another insider, Mark Zuckerberg, which is selling right now as well. Guys, in today's video, we are going to have a look at the regular financial markets, Bitcoin. I'm going to explain to you exactly what this means right now. We are going to have a look at derivatives exchange data, exactly how we, in the previous time, could predict Bitcoin's flush, and we are going to have a look at the stablecoin dominance. So guys, this is going to be an awesome video. Smash up the like. Let's jump straight into it. Guys, we have a little bit controversial signals right now going on in the market. Nevertheless, it's very important to have a deep dive into all of these signals and also to understand which time frames these signals are flashing, because that is very important too. Let's start off with this one, guys. Mark Zuckerberg sells Meta shares worth of 428 million. That's $500 million. And this is actually kind of crazy because the last time Mark Zuckerberg sold was November 2021. And the interesting thing is from November 2021 that it was roughly 1 month, as you can see right here, 1 month before the exact top of the bull market in from 2020 to 21. We also seen that with Bitcoin, and then we entered a 1-year bear market. So Mark Zuckerberg exactly sold at the top, but do take in mind this is probably a long-term sell. He's not a day trader, right? He's not gonna sell today to buy back next week. So this shows that maybe right now he knows something that we don't, and that it is actually a good moment to start and lowering your risk. And I think that's actually pretty much the case, because we have seen a very nice rally in the regular financial markets. Very nice rally in Bitcoin during the year of 2023, where we on this channel outperformed the markets by far. We had a very good year 2023. I'm personally very happy with that. But yeah, sometimes you also got to cherish that you had a good year. So I think it makes sense for Mark Zuckerberg, especially with all the things that are going on right now, that he's selling a part of his Meta shares, but it also tells us a little bit about the conviction of him. But do take in mind, this is a long-term play. He's not selling to buy back next week. That's very important to understand. Very important. So this is a macro sell most likely. And then we go to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is, I would say Bitcoin looks a little bit similar as the regular financial markets. I think in a macro time scale, it's also nice to take some profits right here. However, if we look in the shorter term time frame, guys, we actually see a kind of a bullish pattern forming in Bitcoin. We had this massive flush, which we predicted right here over on the channel based on derivatives exchange data from willporter.com. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already, guys. But we got this massive flush. We actually posted a video at the moment or right before this flush, and what we can see right now, Bitcoin has been consolidating. We haven't seen a V-shaped recovery, but we see some consolidation right here. We do have kind of an ascending triangle, horizontal resistance, uptrending support. So it starts to look like, guys, after some time, that this might be able to break out to the upside. The structure is actually still intact, and we haven't seen a sell-off yet. Then comes the most important part. What is the sentiment telling us, and what is the derivative exchange data telling us? Well, here is where it's becoming a little bit interesting, or very interesting, so to say. And let me put it right here. Can we put an overlay? Will Algo? What is Will Algo saying? Okay, Will Algo is still to the buy side, so that means that the momentum is still actually to the upside. We can see that the funding rates have significantly coming down. They are still positive, but they have significantly coming down. We can see the take buy sell ratio hovering around the blue line. We would like to see that a little bit going up the blue line, like we saw right here, which followed by a nice rally in the Bitcoin price, but it's hovering around the blue line. Good thing is that the premium index is negative right here, as you can see, which means that the price is being led by spot market, not by the derivatives market. That's very good. Then we can see right here that the momentum also just already went into positive, but we haven't seen that much follow through yet in the price. But if you just look at this derivatives exchange data picture, it's not the most bearish picture. It's actually pretty healthy market. Let's overlay the open interest also. That would be nice to see what's going on there. Is it low? Is it high? No, open interest is definitely low, which is also again very, very bullish, because the higher the open interest, the more pressure on the price, and when the funding rates are positive, the pressure is to the downside, because that's exactly what we've seen right here. That's exactly what I told in this video right here with that flush. We have very high open interest, we have very high funding rates. Once a sell-off occurs, it goes pretty quick. So this is actually looking good. When we look at Ethereum, this is also looking pretty good. It looks similar, yeah, kind of similar to Bitcoin. Only the momentum is just coming into the green. That looks pretty nice, I have to say. And I think in the chart, but we will have a look at that, this forms kind of a bullish divergence on Ethereum. And yeah, guys, this is something I want to share as well. We have a program on Will Portal, which is called Will Alerts. And on Will Alerts, we have extra information about the cryptocurrency markets. So, for example, a lot of altcoins that we have been trading, we have been calling over on Will Alerts. And some altcoins, guys, have been doing very good. We have been trading DYDX multiple times right here, where we had multiple times approximately 100% or even more than 100% profit every time. From the green box we longed DYDX, and yeah, as you can see from this green box till this was a move of 190%. Just one of the tokens that we called over there. We had also another token, Audi, is something that we were very early invested in, and we called that over between $3 and $4. Well, that one is up 1700%. That is very insane. We even called Apex. This is the decentralized exchange from Bybit and their native token, and from our entry this is up 400%. Of course, we already took some profits along the way because this is a crazy increase, but guys, this is how we did in 2023. We really outperformed Bitcoin in this market. Well, our majority of our holdings was actually in Bitcoin. But what we can see right here, guys, and this is also included in Will Alerts, we have some programs running, scanning through the internet, and they're going through YouTube videos, they're going through Twitter posts, they're going through data from the internet, and they analyze it, basically checking on what's the sentiment. And what we can see right now is the current sentiment for cryptocurrencies is bearish. So a lot of people are bearish right now, while we actually right in front of that ETF approval potentially, and while we actually have potentially a bullish pattern on Bitcoin, while confirmed by the derivatives exchange data that a lot of people are bearish, longs got pulled out. You know, so this is actually a very good sign, if you ask me, for the shorter term time frame. So guys, even though last time we predicted this flush in the Bitcoin price, right now I'm going to say that most likely, based on all the data that I'm personally seeing, I think we are going to see another rally in the Bitcoin price, because it looks like a lot of people are bearish, and we are right before that ETF approval. The rumors are spreading that it is approved around Wednesday, and I'm going to give you a very clear invalidation, and that is that if Bitcoin will drop below 40,000 US dollars, that is a very big warning sign. A very big warning sign, and that will show us that most likely we are going to see a further correction. If we do get a multi-week rally right here to the upside, right, I still think it is kind of shortly lived, and Bitcoin could get like a nice spike, maybe a blow off top, and it will be followed by a longer correction as well. Next to that, I'm very bullish on Ethereum, guys, so I'm definitely planning to have a big chunk of my portfolio in Ethereum, as I think Ethereum will be the January star. Somewhere in January it will start to rally against Bitcoin. So yeah, guys, definitely I changed my perspective in the shorter term time frame a little bit from my previous videos. That's why time frame is so important, because I also said I sold a big chunk of my portfolio, right? So shorter term time frame, I changed on that because of new data that we are seeing right now. I think shorter term time frame price can go up. However, from the midterm time frame, I'm still thinking that we are very close to a top and very close to a longer correction that we have after this rally. And guys, if you're still looking for an exchange, you can scroll below this video and look no further. Join Bybit with the affiliate link down below and enjoy a $30,000 deposit bonus. But if you don't like KYC, you can join BingX with a $10,000 deposit bonus. And if you like BitGet or you just want to diversify into different exchanges, make sure to make an account on all of these 3 exchanges. And personally, I think Bybit is the best exchange, and I'm also trusting this exchange with most of my equity. So I have always the most money on my Bybit account, and everything on Bybit runs super smoothly. We have nice copy traders there, we have nice fees, we have nice liquidity. Everything is just so smooth, and they also have very exclusive options, which makes it even able for you to almost trade without paying any fees. I made a lot of tutorials on that, guys. If you want to see that, you go to my channel page right here, and then you scroll down below and you go to Bybit tutorials right here, and then here you can see Bybit copy trading tutorials, trading bots, futures martingale. But also if you click right here, you have chase limit orders, skilled orders, how to connect your trading view to Bybit, how to use trade GPT. Guys, these are all very much recommended to watch for you. These are all for free. This is free knowledge, and it will save you time and money. And if you scroll below there, I even have some Bitcoin trading strategies that I'm explaining for free right here as well. Guys, recently I published another video where I explained to you exactly how you can use the Will Portal platform for short-term scalping, which makes it possible for you to earn every single day income by trading cryptocurrency. And it's not that you have to risk that much of your own equity to already get close to a monthly salary. It's just taking energy and emotional control. That is the most important things, and these are skills that you can learn, and I'm explaining about that in this tutorial. So make sure to watch the tutorial, guys, and I want to thank you all for watching. If you haven't done so already, make sure to drop the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. I wish you all a beautiful day, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.